No, you're good. Crazy. Alright guys, so I want to show you this sick spot right here. Check this out. Full 360 views. What are these, the Santa Monica Mountains, or what are they?
Santa Monica Mountain,
Yeah, that's awesome, bro. Look at that. This little, it's like a fire tower, lookout tower.
Get it on camera just in case I eat shit.
You got it, you got it. So, alright, let's see. Let's walk on the little tightrope things.
This is where it's like, you gotta do the test.
We have full 360 view. Look at that. Unreal. Ooh. This is crazy. No, you're good. God, this is crazy. Look at this. It's probably, I mean, there's higher points. That's the highest point right there in the Santa Monica Mountains. But other than that, this is probably the highest point, all, like near around us. Yeah, except those that mountain range. That's crazy. That's why the lookout tower is probably here. But yeah, what I was saying is, this is an undisclosed location, and if you don't, because we're so high up, if you don't know where we are, you can't tell where this spot is. Unless you know exactly how to get here. Yeah, guys, look at the spot. It's insane. It's a full 360 view. That's Sherwood right there. Then Westlake, Agora Hills, Malibu's down there. All the way down there. That's PCH Malibu. But yeah, check out this view, y'all. Yeah, be careful not to fall. On this secret spot. What should the title of this video be though? If I post it. That'd be kind of sick though.
Sick video. Sick
video. Just call it sick video. Secret spot, sick video. Yeah, cause I don't even know what to. I don't even know what to say on camera. It's just like this view is just insane.
You'll probably have to put in with others, you know, like sick view video spots.
Because like, what genre would this be? Just like travel adventure?
Rap hip hop.
Rap hip hop.
No, yeah, this would be more adventure, you know.
Because most of my stuff is like motorcycle focused, guys. But you know, we're gonna do stuff like this. I'm trying to, like, with the YouTuber, if it blows up, I'm trying to like travel the world, and that'll be sick, you know. Like go to like the sickest places, like climb some crazy stuff. But this is a good start.
Acura.
Are they good glasses?
No way.
What kind of glasses?
Acura glasses.
Acura?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, and there's like red pills scattered everywhere. That's what, I don't think I was recording, but there's like, are you sure those are ibuprofen pills? Check the ones over there. There's like a bunch of red pills scattered over there. Like right to like your left, I think.
Oh yeah, there's one here.
What is that? Is that the same stuff?
I believe so, yeah.
Ibuprofen?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought that was like 44291.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Wait, what's the number? Let's see if anyone watches this. We'll look it up online, and then comment what it is. What's the number? What's the number?
Yeah, 44291, I think.
Okay, so guys, 44291. There's a bunch of red pills scattered everywhere. It might be just like regular Advil, ibuprofen, but
they're like reddish orange. I mean,
they're reddish orange too.
They look like Advil, dude.
I don't know. What if someone's like came up here and they were like, "I'm gonna quit," you know, and they just scattered all their pills everywhere? That could have been an option too. Yeah, there's like hundreds of pills. Not hundreds, but like, is there a lot over there too?
There's a handful here, yeah.
Yeah, there's like hundreds of pills scattered. Find one. They're like everywhere.
There's a handful over here. Someone was ripped.
Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh. Alright, look it up. What is it? What are they?
Ibuprofen.
Oh, they're ibuprofen, guys. Okay. Dun dun dun.
Little anti-inflammatory drug.
Alright, never mind. Nothing scary. Just a bunch of ibuprofen scattered everywhere. Well, I mean, my tooth kind of hurts, my wisdom teeth, so like I'll just take a little handful of them real quick.
Yeah, I'm sure they're good. I'm sure they're so good.
Oh, God.
Dude, people were planning on going hard here if they had, you know, ibuprofen, like coming up here, partying, popping a bunch of those, going back.
I mean, there's a bunch of like empty White Claws and stuff here too, so. So basically what we think it is, this was some kind of lookout tower. And these were like the power lines and all the electrical stuff ran through here. And if you look down there, that pole, I think the electricity ran from here to here. And then it went all the way down those mountains, like in between the mountains somehow. And then like there's like some stuff where maybe there's a couple more repeating poles. And the electricity just kind of went down all the way down through there. But there right now, like that's more new stuff. I want to see what that is. Here, let me get down. All right, what is that stuff, bro?
It measures like earthquakes and like weather. Literally, those are all around the world. They have like a map of it all around the world.
Oh, I made it down. Some kind of earthquake meter, but why would it be so high up here? Like, there's not even like any tectonic plates or anything out here.
Yeah, there is, dude. This is literally all why these mountains are here. See, there's just hundreds scattered everywhere, and so I mean, you could tell it's obviously more of an earthquake thing.
Network of the Americas, NATA.
Yeah.
So it's a measuring Earth atmosphere from this geographical equipment is part of an effort to understand Earth processes and hazards such as earthquake, volcanic activity, subsidence, and severe weather.
It's like the, you know, the plates going under another. Literally, because there's a fault.
So this thing like measures weather or something. I don't even know.
Look, there's a fault line right here. Okay, and that's why we have so many earthquakes and there's all these volcanoes and everything.
But what does this thing exactly measure? Like vibrations?
Yeah, vibrations, probably weather, like outside
it's
weather.
solar panels and it sends all the information through an antenna. It's pretty sick.
Yeah.
People probably have to come up here and service it like occasionally, but that's it.
Right.
That's awesome. It's in the middle of nowhere. This little earthquake measuring tool, volcanic. I mean, I guess yeah. If you go like,
well, dude, because earthquakes, all that has to do with volcanic, like what's happening under the Earth's crust. That's what that all is. You get the pressure that builds up, and then it pushes, you know, literally the ground apart or together or sliding.
guys, check this.
And that's how you get volcano.
Cause like if this like video blows up, people are gonna be coming here. Not a lot of people know this spot. Like a few of my homies know this spot, but that's it. Cause I've shown them, but like other than that, not a lot of people know this spot. And there's like glass everywhere too. So many people party out here probably like over the years. Oh, yeah. It's like all glass if you look closely. Everywhere. Like even right here, there's more glass than rocks.
Yeah, the whole place is literally cut.
People just shatter bottles here probably.
Yeah, and when you're up there, you just toss them down. You know?
That's fun. Yeah, let's promote that kind of behavior. Right? Be filming here. Ready?
Yeah, I go. Another one.
Oh, I didn't hear that. I would have though.
Well, I did that.
Okay. I'm gonna do it. I'm attempting to do a muscle up.
Oh, technically.
There we go. That was bad. I'm gonna try that again. That looked bad. Here, hold on. Let me get down. Can I say up?
True.
Oh! Oh, that's why I said film. I almost died. Do you see that?
Yeah, you threw a foot out, bro. Like, that was so sketch.
That's why I said start filming, bro. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a muscle up on that adrenaline rush.
Okay.
That was better.
Yeah, still not technically a muscle, but still technically a muscle up, you know?
There we go. We didn't die that time. Here. Woo,
Dude,
doing some dumb.
I want to see the playback on it.
The playback of me dying? That made the video, I think.
Yeah, dude, that's hard. That's not a legit muscle up though. You got to be able to like.
Yeah, I don't die again like I did.
Yeah, but you got to be able to twist on it, you know, to get that real.
Yeah, you can't like really twist on like a cement block.
Yeah, slippery.
You guys want to see more stuff like this? Some weird adventure stuff, some just action crazy stuff. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you guys just want to see car and bike stuff. Let me know that too. But I'm gonna do everything. I don't care what you guys think. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
And to the right.
All right, so I thought we were gonna end the video there, but if you could see, I don't know if you could see, but there's like a fire. If you could see all that smoke, it's just drifting into that valley right there. There's a fire somewhere. It's pretty, that's a lot of smoke. It's a pretty big fire, I guess. That's definitely smoke. Where is he? Oh, guys, check this out. Guys, this is a tarantula wasp. These things, the sting on these things is supposed to be like insanely gnarly. Look at that thing.
Dude,
Oh,
you know what you got to do though if you want to.
oh my god! Oh, yo, he's mad.
Do they fly?
Yeah, bro, tarantula wasps. Look,
Oh, that, dude. How do we avoid that?
dude, I'm trying to get a close-up shot.
Dude, how do we?
Oh, 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 yo! There's like two of them. You saw that?
Yeah.
Oh, those are dragonflies.
No, I know that, but no, that yeah, he was like flying around, dude. I thought he was gonna be crawling fast.
Dude, you don't know that, bro? The tarantula wasps. Where is he?
I forgot about the wasp part. He probably fly.
Yeah.
Damn.
You know,
So if we
they're supposed to put you in like paralysis, like I heard, like not
I'm good on
paralysis,
that,
but like
dude.
for 5 minutes. It's like there's one like, it's supposed to be like one of the most like worst like stings like in the world.
Yeah, I'm good.
So
I'll film you getting stung or whatever, but I'm good.
Should I, guys? Let me know in the comments if I should get stung by a tarantula wasp. There he is. There you go. I don't want to get
That
stung.
woke me up real quick.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
You ready to go
I
now?
wasn't falling asleep, but I mean that'll get you on another.
But
level.
do you see the colors on him? He's like.
Yeah, it's like black, but like rainbow black, you know.
It's like that,
Right.
like yeah, pearlescence, like.
Right.
Oh, okay. No. He's mad. He started chasing me like away.
I was hiding in between the.
Oh god. Yo. But yeah, tarantula wasps are pretty gnarly. I've never gotten stung by one, but maybe for another video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a video of me getting stung by a tarantula wasp. That would be pretty sick. I'd do it. If I get like 100,000 subscribers, guys, I'll get stung by a tarantula wasp. But yeah, guys, the sun's setting. We're about to head down right now, but look at this. Oh, bro, if we start driving down that road while the sun's setting, that'd be pretty sick.
I'm down.
Oh, this is a sick shot right here with the tower blocking the sun right here.
Oh, the silhouette.
Yo, look at this.
Let me go out of the way.
Yo, look at that view. Look at this. I want to see this on like actual. Look at that.
Oh wow, dude.
That's gonna look sick. Or like pan like this. Just...
This is nice.
Is it the tarantula wasp? Oh god. That's sick. And you should just walk like this.
Yeah. The thing is, it looks best for this, but not far. If you do only the view, it doesn't look good. So just keep it close to the video.
Alright, so we're walking back down right now. Undisclosed location, but like, this is a sick view right now. Look at that. The colors. Such a sick view.